Welcome back to my channel. This is Jomo the Vlog once again, and we're already here at Costa Pacifica. But to give you some update, our travel time from Manila up to this place in Aurora province or Baler, Aurora is 6 hours. Oh my God, it's quite long because of so many road constructions, and I was not able to show you that. Okay. So, do you have idea why I'm wearing like this? Because I'm going to try the surfing lesson today. I'm going to have some surfing lesson. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to make shout out po. Shout out sa mga kuya. Thank you. Ayan, mga bababait po sila. Isa sa atin. At ito po yung ating second counter. Hello. Shout out na lang kay Christel at kay Ma'am. Okay. May 24. 9 to 1 meters, 2 kph. In tides is 1.9 and the air temperature is 30%. Water temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. That's all. I wasn't able to update you, but we already ate our breakfast. And hello po sa inyo kay Miss Trisha. Sabihin mo ng breakfast at napakasarap. Ikot lang po ako. Pwede pong naman dito papunta. Pwede po. Sige. Alright guys. Napakasarap po ng breakfast dito. Hello guys. So come, and if you're going to try the Costa Rica, Costa Pacifica is here. Very nice swimming pool, and we're going to try it. Yeah. We're looking for lots. Okay guys, this is the most exciting part. I will show you. Hello sa mga kuya. Kaya ano pong ikinukulong dito?
Ayaw, di ba?
Joke lang po. Joke lang po. This is Jomo to Vlog. Ano pangalan niyo po kaya?
Michael po. Michael.
Sir Michael at
Jason.
Jason. Shoutout po sa inyo po.
Pasyado po sa San Luis.
Alright guys, this is Jomo to Vlog, and shoutout po sa mga taga San Luis. Okay. Thank you. At ayan na po yung, here's the most exciting part of our travel here. Of course, the surfing lesson. Ayan. Siguro nandun si Lods. Ayan, di ba po? Ay, where is the champion?
Sir,
Alright guys.
Sir, ang kasama ko sir, yung dating champion din, pero tinalo ko lang.
Oh.
sumama po noon
Ano nga ulit pangalan?
Sir,
Jeff, Diego.
Diego
sir.
Mel?
Bali sila na lang siya na magtuturo kasi po.
Nandiyan po yung kasama ko sa
Ayun na.
ayun. Sige. Okay, shout out na lang sa inyo. That's promise.
From Baler.
This is Jomo to Vlog. Shout out sa kanilang mga
Anong vlog sir?
Jomo to Vlog.
Yomoto.
At ayan po ay yung pinaka-exciting part ng champion at yung ito yung hindi
Ako
matalo-talo
hindi
ng champion.
matalo-talo ng champion.
Ayan. Susubukan na po natin ngayon at ito po yung pinaka-exciting part. Promise ko sa iyo, kuya, kanina babalikan ko.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ayan. Tara.
Pwede Alright, go! Sir, board natin yung pink ka, mamaya. Ay, yung blue. Safety! 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 Drone tayo, may drone. Okay, let's go! Sir, dito po tayo, sir. Okay lang.
Nag-record.
Mag-record na po ito. Okay po. O sige sir.
More moments later.
Sana all.
Alright guys, natapos po yung ating lesson pero hindi ko na tinapos yung 1 hour dahil mahaba na yung natakbo ko, 7 meters. Hindi. Okay. Thank you ulit kay Sir Jeff, napakagaling na instructor. Okay, shout out. Thank you. Alright guys, that's all for today. And if you're new to my channel and you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you're always updated to all of my video uploads. That's all. And have a nice day, everyone.